Most blame engine failure. A 1960s Air Force report revealed Nevada's gravity well, planes fell clear, no wind. Recordings. Chilling. Near Tonopah Test Range, dozens of disappearances since 1941. Pilots report sudden disorientation, total instrument failure. Military aircraft plummet thousands of feet. Crews report G-forces, inexplicable downward pulls. Official reports cite unknown phenomena. Craziest part, a 1978 black box captured pilots screaming invisible force before static. Not even the scariest thing.